Christmas invites us to return to what truly matters. So today I came here to paint one of the oldest stories ever told, a story of faith, trust, a little bit of magic, and believing. This is a prepared sketch for today's project, and I already did stars applied with masking fluid, so later on the dark background they will be shining, hopefully. Christmas is a season filled with warmth and beauty, but also with reflection. Because beneath all the lights and celebrations, many of us carry something very human: self-doubt. We live in this constant cycle, doubting ourselves, questioning our abilities, not trusting where we are being led, not trusting ourselves, and sometimes not trusting a higher power either. I know this feeling very well. At the beginning of my journey, self-doubt was always present. I was afraid to show my work, afraid even to look at it myself, afraid to start, because starting meant the possibility of failing. And I did fail, and that is good. Now I understand. And fear of failure always begins with self-doubt. What helped me slowly move forward was encouragement. From very close loved ones who believed in me even when I couldn't, and something even deeper, my faith. I believe in God, and I truly invite Him into every project I did then and I do now, to be with me, to guide me, to lead me. And that trust gave me strength when confidence was not yet there. Of course, it didn't happen overnight. There was practice, dedication, patience, and a deep love for the craft. But believing, that was the beginning. Think about the story of Christmas. Jesus Christ was born, and this story has been told for centuries. We don't have photographs, we don't have physical proof. We simply believe. And that belief fills us with hope, with warmth, with love. In a way, this is exactly how every creative journey begins. You don't know how it will unfold. You don't know where it will lead. You don't know if you will succeed. But you begin anyway, because belief comes first. Believing in yourself, believing in your ability to learn, to search, to grow, to find your style, to find your teachers along the way. Everything begins with this simple step: believe. And one more thing I've learned: the more you believe in yourself, the more noise you will hear. There will always be voices saying, "Don't do it, it's not worth it, you're not ready." That is just noise. It doesn't belong to you. Go inward, to your heart, to your soul. Believe what you feel there. Cherish it, protect it, and do it. Share your gift with the world, with your family, and first of all, with yourself. Be in the process, enjoy the process, stay in it, and celebrate even the smallest steps.